That's one of the big birds that drives around, flies around that I thought was an eagle. Might be like a buzzard or a vulture of some sort. Where's it flying? I didn't see where it flew to. I don't see any other bird. There's the moon. Bird flying in the background. Enjoy the driveway a minute. Flooded orange in the ditch. I wish I had my phone ready when I was closer to the bus stop. A bunch of birds were flying. I missed it. Here's the pine tree I usually get. This is the spot from the front door that's lit up from the pole at night. And for those that aren't familiar with the South, I know I was until I can't. I'm sorry, my post-nasal drip is killing me. But for those that aren't familiar with the South, these are ant piles. They really come out when the grass is cut. I know always needs to be cut. But that's what an ant pile looks like for those that don't know anything about the South and the different things that are down here. I don't know much, but I'm learning. And I'm going to bring you to the white flowers that we see in my night videos. Some purple ones. Let me get closer so you see these better. Kind of hard to tell in the picture, but they're kind of like lilac. A little bit darker than lilac, or like a lilac lavender combo. These are the lilac ones. Now that I got my phone out, there's no birds flying. Here's more of the white ones. I hear them, but I don't see them. Let's see if I hear some more purple ones, but I just can't tell that they're purple. Oh, another ant pile mixed in the grass. With all the rain that we've had, the grass is so high. I'm going to focus on the flowers for a few seconds. Have a great day, everybody. Bye. Let me focus on the white flowers, being you could tell those a little better.